Compounding in Quotex refers to the process of reinvesting profits from successful trades to increase the size of future trades, thereby potentially increasing your earnings over time. Here's how to compound your trading account on Quotex. Start with a small investment. Begin with a reasonable amount of capital that you're comfortable with. It's advisable to start with smaller trades to reduce risk. Select your trading strategy. Choose a trading strategy that suits your risk tolerance and goals. Many traders use strategies like technical analysis, trend following, or even indicators to make informed decisions. Make profitable trades. Execute trades based on your strategy. If your trades are successful, your balance will grow as you make profits. Reinvest profits. Instead of withdrawing your profits immediately, reinvest them into future trades. This means increasing your trade size proportionally to your account balance, using the profits from previous trades to fuel bigger trades. Manage risk carefully. Ensure you don't overexpose your account by risking too much on a single trade. Many traders use risk management techniques like fixed percentage risk. Monitor progress regularly. Keep track of your compounding progress by reviewing your balance and trade history. Adjust your strategy or risk management as needed.